Now see the 15th question. Diagonals AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that area of AOD equals to area of BOC. Prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Now this is a quadrilateral ABCD, okay, and the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at point O, okay, and they intersect in such a way that area of AOD is equals to area of BOC. Now we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium, and for a trapezium two sides are parallel and two sides are non-parallel. Now we can see that these two sides are non-parallel, but we have to prove that these two sides are parallel. Okay, now see the solution. First of all, it is given to us that area of AOD is equals to area of BOC. AOD is equals to BOC, right here given. Okay, now what we will do, we will add area of AOB on both sides. So adding area of AOB on both sides, area of AOD plus area of AOB is equals to area of BOC plus area of AOB. Okay, so this is AOD and this is AOB. So this full triangle will be formed. So area of AOD plus area of AOB is equals to area of ABD. Okay, so in LHS area of ABD will come. Then in RHS area of BOC plus area of AOB, that means these two. So this full triangle will be formed. So this will be equal to area of ABC. Okay, so what we got, area of ABD is equals to area of ABC. Now in these two triangles we can see that base is same, that is AB, and their area is also equal. Now if their base is same and their area is also equal, then they must be between the same parallel lines. Okay, that means AB will be parallel to CD. So we will write triangle ABD and triangle ABC are on same base AB, and area of ABD is also equal to area of ABC. Therefore AB is parallel to CD or DC. Okay, the reason for this will be, since triangles on the same base and having equal areas lie between the same parallels. Okay, so if AB is parallel to CD, then this is a trapezium. Okay, so at last we can write, hence ABCD is a trapezium. Now see the 16th question. In figure, area of DRC is equals to area of DPC, and area of BDP is equal to area of ARC. Okay, show that both the quadrilaterals ABCD and DCPR are trapeziums. We have to prove that these are trapeziums. Now see, first what is given to us, area of DRC is equals to area of DPC. Now in these two triangles base is same and their area is equal, that means they will be between the same parallels. So we will write triangle DRC and triangle DPC are on same base DC and their areas are also equal. Therefore DC will be parallel to RP. Reason will be, since triangles on same base and having equal areas lie between same parallels. Okay. Now if these two are parallel, then we can say that DCPR is a trapezium. Okay, first part is proved. Now see the second part. What is given to us? Area of ARC. ARC is equals to area of BDP. BDP. This is given to us. Okay. So what we will do? We will subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. So first write equation 2, then equation 1. So area of ARC minus area of DRC is equals to this one, area of BDP minus area of DPC. Okay, this we have written. Now see the LHS. ARC minus DRC. What will come? This triangle will come when we will subtract them. So LHS will be equal to area of ADC. Okay. Now see the RHS. Area of BDP minus area of DPC. In this also this triangle will come. So it will be equal to area of BDC. Okay. So we can see that area of ADC is equals to area of BDC. They both are having same base and their area is also equal. So we will write triangle ADC and triangle BDC are on same base DC. This. Okay. And their areas are also equal. Therefore they must be between same parallels. That means this DC will be parallel to AB. So we can write therefore AB is parallel to DC or DC is parallel to AB. And here in reason we will write the same thing, since triangles on same base and having equal areas lie between the same parallels. Okay. Now if these two sides are parallel, that means ABCD is a trapezium. This ABCD is also a trapezium. Okay. So at last we can write hence proved. Thank you everyone. If you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share my channel and stay connected with A1 study classes.